Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How can I help you?
I'm here to look at stone for my
Okay,
kitchen.
perfect. Would you be interested in granite or quartz?
Can I take a look at both of them, please?
Absolutely. I will meet you at our granite wall and definitely share some information. All right, so this is our natural stone, which is our granite. This is all natural stone that does require the sealing process. So with that being said, if you're looking more for the natural beauty of the stone and with some luster, then this is where you would want to start. If you are also interested in our quartz, we do have that, and that is a zero maintenance product, requires no sealing. So if you, of course, like the lighter version of colors, we do have those available on our other side of the showroom.
Okay. Could I see these slabs in a bigger...
You sure can. We definitely have these available. These are all outside for full viewing. We even have more than our stock, on our wall selections. So definitely, I'm sure that you will be, able to look at those and make a selection of whatever you may decide on.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, thank you.
Perfect.
And what does the quartz look at? Can I see
Quartz,
that?
absolutely. I can meet you there. We do have many selections on that, colors and price ranges. This is a man-made material. We do have thicknesses that are available, and they are also in some of them come in 3/4 thickness. Others are, of course, in the 1.25 inch. If you wish to take a look, let me know. Stickers on the samples represent material in stock while our supplies last.
Great, thank you.
My name is Olivia, and let me know if you have any additional questions that I can answer for you.
Great, thank you.
All right.
Olivia, could I
Yes.
see this slab?
Absolutely, yes. Sure can. So definitely can see it in a full sheet. So if you follow me to the warehouse, we definitely can have you look at that.
Sure, let's take a look.
Sure. So here we have a full slab for your full view. Therefore, this is a beautiful piece. It's a natural stone. It is a quartzite. You can see that we have done a beautiful layout for the area of the client who does want the area of what they favor most. So you can see this. So yes, we can give you that opportunity of doing your layout. Select an area where you feel you're going to have the most pop in your kitchen, bathroom, whatever the project consists of. So therefore, yes, you can select, an area where you most like it to be cut from.
Okay.
Okay?
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me just get this all set up. Let me have a pen handy. All right.
I did like that slab out there that we saw in the warehouse. Could I get a
Okay,
price?
excellent. You sure can. You have a
Please?
drawing? That's
Yes.
awesome. Perfect. Now, I do need to know just maybe the basics that we do ask. Do you have, I'm obviously thinking you do have a slide-in range right there?
No, it's
Is
a
that
stove. Just a
stove?
freestanding
Okay,
stove.
perfect. And on the left side, is that a backsplash that you would want?
Yes.
Or?
Yep.
Okay,
It's
perfect.
it has a wall on the left and then
Okay,
back.
awesome. And then here this is open, so we have nothing there, correct? Awesome.
Yes.
Great. I see you provided all dimensions that we would need for us to give you a quote. So definitely, if you would you have time to stick around and then we can
Absolutely.
work this out? Otherwise,
long-
we can email you.
How long would it take for us? to quote?
Probably within not close to 10 minutes, we should have this ready for you.
All
Do
right.
have someone available for you at this time. Is there any questions for me at this time? In
No,
regards to thickness, maintenance, anything like that? Obviously, the quartzite is a natural stone, so you would have to reseal that color every 2 to 3 years. It is avoiding any oil stains and such things like that. Mild soap and water is definitely the way to go with cleaning up. Okay, Mr. Magallanes, so I do have your quote. Please take a look and let me know if there are any questions or did I miss anything on there. Keep in mind this is only an estimate at this time until we go and do an accurate laser measure, so things will be more precise. You can always, of course, confirm 100% if you do want a backsplash or no backsplash option. Policy is that if you do become interested, cabinets are installed and leveled, and you're ready to move forward. We do require 50% of that price and signature on our contract prior to your commitment.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you. That
All
was
right.
really fast.
You're
Thank
very
you.
welcome. All right, my name is Olivia. I'll share my card. Let me know if you have any questions. And I also have an email there provided.
Thank you.
So feel free to send me or call me with any other questions you may have.
Thank you.
Okay.
If I want to proceed with this quote, what do I need to do next?
You would have to give me, as I mentioned, the 50% signature on the contract, get on our calendar with Cindy, who does the scheduling for measure. And after we have done that completely, You will have to sign in all your finalization of selections that have been made with signature provided, and then we can, of course, turn around and give you an installation date.
Okay.
Okay?
Great. Thank you.
Excellent. Again,
All right.
please call me or email me if you have any further questions.
I will. Thank you. You know what, Olivia? I would like to proceed with scheduling the field measure.
Excellent.
So
So
I'll
then
do the
we will be ready
deposit.
then for a credit
Yep.
card, and we
Sure.
can do that at this
Okay.
time.
There you
I'll
go.
process the payment, and then we can get you, of course, for the measure date. Perfect. It's been processed. So therefore, there is
Thank
your
you.
card. I will, of course, need a signature on this one document that we've shared. I will also give you our contract so that you are aware of our policy or any questions you may have regarding the natural stone. And then this is what I will need. You're welcome to take it home with you, email it back to me, and you will get a call from Cindy lining up the measure for you. Please
Okay.
make sure your cabinets are installed and leveled. If you do have existing countertops, then there is no worry to, you know, for us to just make sure that they are leveled and installed.
Okay.
If you're just removing existent, then we'll take care of that, or that's an optional fee as well.
Okay, great. Let me fill this out so I can get this
Perfect.
started.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Michaelanis.
You're welcome.
Pleasure working with you.